Healthy, glowing skin is everyone's dream, but more often what we get is dull, drab, and lifeless skin. Even having to maintain a healthy and radiant look is an everyday challenge as the skin is exposed to stress, changing climatic conditions, UV radiations, pollutants, and chemicals from cosmetic products which affects the skin adversely. Without adequate care, the skin elasticity becomes destroyed and prone to blackheads, wrinkles, etc. that impacts your all too sensitive skin. You can keep your skin clean and refreshed with our extensive range of skin cleansers. We have got unique sets of cleansers, micellar waters and makeup removers designed to cater to each individual skin type and concern from a wide range of brands so you are never spoiled for choice. Whether you suffer from sensitive, oily, or acne-prone skin, you can achieve the results you require from our tailored choices. Visit www.Lagginy.com today, order, and stay radiantly beautiful.